Hey guys, more cowbell here. So my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is how the camera works now. This is my replacement phone that's about a week and a half old after one motorcycle ride. The sensors in the camera have failed again. So got the first phone in November 2019, the end of November, like the 29th. Everything was good until I went for a motorcycle ride. When the weather got better, all of a sudden my camera started doing this. And I don't know if you can hear the crackling noise in the background on the camera, but called up Apple. They charged me 31 bucks to send me a new phone under warranty. Even though it took a week, it was supposed to be express service. So anyway, phone for maybe a week, went for another motorcycle ride. All of a sudden, halfway through my motorcycle ride, stopped taking photos. Same thing is happening. I looked on the Apple community forums and I see a lot of people complaining about the same thing, the vibration from the motorcycles and the cradles on there when you're using your GPS is causing the camera sensors to fail. It's a hardware issue. Apple must know about it, but they're not saying anything. I've been on the phone for probably 5 hours with various Apple Care customer service people. Pretty frustrating when you spend 1,600 bucks on a phone and it's supposed to have a approved camera and it doesn't hold up like my old iPhone 7. Never had an issue on the motorcycle. So I'm really hoping Apple can come up with a fix for this, or give me credit for this phone so I can get an old phone again that'll work on my motorcycle. So anyway, waiting for my third replacement now from Apple after spending probably 5 hours on the phone altogether, and having to wipe out my phone and restore and all that. Don't let them talk you into doing all that. If this happens to your camera, it's a hardware issue, definitely not software. Don't waste your time with hours of erasing and restoring. Just a waste of time. If it does this, it's not going to fix it. So anyway, I'll replace the other video where I didn't really say anything and just left a comment in the description about what was going on. Pretty frustrating. Spend that kind of money and get an inferior phone. It's like you go out to ride, take pictures of scenery, and then this is what you get. Won't focus. It's just really a bummer. Anyway, that's it for now. Leave your comments. Any of you other motorcycle riders that got new iPhone 11s having camera problems, let me know. I'm curious how many people out there are having the same issue that ride motorcycles or have their phone in a mount where they're getting a little more vibration than just sitting in your pocket. So anyway, talk to you later.